Okay, so this is the latest addition to my Zippo lighter collection, which I think the last one, or perhaps the only one that I showed before was matter of fact, it was my first one, was the biohazard, the one that's referred to as hazardous. And I haven't done any since, and that's been probably about 2 years. My collection is not large. I think this is probably the the third one in the collection, and I've since added two more. But I'll go back retroactively and do some of the other ones. But this one is the Hidden Dragon. And unlike some of the other ones, typically when I've seen them for purchase, here's hazardous by the way, when I've seen them available for purchase, they would be in a little box like this. This was the first time I'd ever really paid attention to Zippo lighters in this type of packaging. I'm not sure how frequently you can come across packaging like this, and this was bought at Rite Aid, and you can see the anti-theft device right there. But one of the reasons why I got this particular one, they had several other designs. This one has a dragon on there, and I was born in the year of the dragon, so I have, I guess, an affinity for dragons. And this one looks more like a wyvern, which I really just learned about a wyvern. Basically, that is a dragon type creature that has just wings and a set of legs. So it doesn't really have like the 4 legs and wings. It doesn't have 6 appendages. It only has 4 appendages. But that's neither here nor there. And so I'm just going to quickly open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. This particular knife is a buck knife, and you see it has the carbon fiber look to it. This is a new acquisition, and this has not yet found its way into my EDC, and perhaps I'll do a review on this, but this thing is sharp. Okay, so here it is. No little box for this guy, it looks like. And let's see if we can peel this off here without making a mess. Yep, comes right off. And here it is. The Hidden Dragon. I don't recall the price for this, but I can always annotate this video. I'm not sure how many Zippos I will get in the future. Probably not a whole lot. Guess I have to learn some lighter tricks to jazz up my videos a little bit. But in any event, thanks for watching. And any of you other Zippo collectors, I'm just a neophyte. Just started. And probably won't get a large number, as I stated before. And we'll work that out. In any case, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.